Alright, this is Saturday, late afternoon, early evening, August 20th, 2022. This will be Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series Artwork 52. It's going to be a memorial portrait to another journalist. Died while working as a journalist. In Italy, Raffaele Ciriello died in 2002 while covering the israelo-palestinian conflict, which was very hot that year. I was actually in Israel for several weeks that spring, and it was a mess, which has been written about a little bit in a Seattle Times article and elsewhere. All right, this is the first stage. This will be part one. I did a drawing in pencil from a photograph of the journalist.